Hey, so fam, let's get into this. All right. For those that are new to the channel, welcome. We welcome you. On this channel, we heal, we eat, we elevate, we be great, and we do all those great things. And we're going to get into this meal replacement that is one of a kind. All right. And you want to start with your quick 5-minute Quaker oats. All right. And this is going to be a 2-day activity. So fam, I know. We're going to make some overnight oats. All right. So you want to put your overnight oats in a beautiful bowl that you're going to be able to close, seal, put in the fridge, keep fresh. I like to just do some cinnamon in mine. This is some fresh ground cinnamon. You can put whatever you want, however you want your oatmeal to taste. Just know this is going to be how your smoothie is going to taste. All right. And you do want to put a little bit of salt in there just to bring everything together. So fam, put a little salt in there. Trust the process. All right. And once you season your oats, then you want to add your milk base of choice. So I like the almond breeze with a little bit of honey. Okay. You can do oat milk. Oat milk will probably be ideal. Depending on how much weight you're trying to keep down, how much inches you're trying to keep off. And once I add my milk, I do go in and I add a splash of honey. Okay, because we love what is sweet, but we don't like that sugary kind of taste. All right, so that's why I like to go in and add just a little bit of honey and also a little bit of this condensed sweet milk, just a splash of this, so fam, because this condensed milk, it's condensed milk, so it's really sweet. And it's not the best for you, but a little bit won't do nothing. It ain't gonna. Okay, it's like eating a little Snicker bite, a little cheat, just a little bit to give your body what it's craving. All right, and then you see me adding in some raw honey, and we're gonna mix this together. And you want to just put it in at night. So I did this the night before, like 9 p.m., and then the next morning was like 7 a.m., 8 a.m. So 12 hours. And honestly, I think that was more than enough time because, again, these are quick oats. If you do it with the other oats, I don't know how long that'll take. All right. Now we're going to add the real ingredients. All right. So, fam, we're going to get our zucchini. Trust the process. Okay. Some bananas, organic. The smaller the bananas, the more natural and organic they are. And then the bowl of blueberries, because we love blueberries. All right. So fam, and some ice. All right. So what you want to do is understand that this zucchini, so fam, is tasteless in this formula. Okay. So put the whole zucchini in. And I found that these zucchini, the smaller ones, are actually more organic. Organic just means not genetically modified. Okay. So somebody ain't going there and mess with the seeds, basically. No big deal if they got big ones. So fam, you eating a zucchini. It's going to be better than eating some French fries. Okay. So we can't be so critical when it comes to changing our diet. Definitely right at first sight, because so fam, be easy. All right, trust your body has the ability to really hold and withstand and use what you're giving it for the greater great. All right, and you want to add 1 banana in here. Once you cut up your zucchini, I usually like my bananas ripe, but they didn't have no ripe ones that day, so one that was kind of as ripe as it could get was fine, because I'm not eating it just like this. I'm putting it in a blend, so it's really just for the flavor. And you don't really taste that ripe. When a banana's not ready, you get that hard kind of banana taste. This one wasn't that hard. I like mine to be a couple days old. Me, so fam, I like everything overcooked, overdone. And so you want to chop up that banana, put that banana in there. You see it was running away. I was like, come here, let me get it. Put that banana in there. If you don't like bananas or you don't like blueberries, supplement it for another fruit. Okay. Strawberries maybe, but I like bananas because they really take up room in your stomach. Like they're really fulfilling. And so fam, look at these overnight oats. Look at this. This looks better than cooked oatmeal, honestly. Like, how when oatmeal starts to get kind of like hard. This was so soft. Like, I think I could have put my fork and spinned it in there for 20 minutes. It was so therapeutic. This was the perfect balance. All right. So fam, Throw your oatmeal in there. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Put that oatmeal right up in there. Boop, boop. Fill it up. I was like, let me save half. I always want to try to save some for later because I know I always want more. I always try to make like 2 because I know I always want more. Woo, baby. I was like, SoFam is going to really love this meal because this supplement, because it's so fulfilling and it really allows you to skip those hours in a day of overeating, over craving. And that's what these in particularly do. So the zucchini, very hydrating. The blueberry, very nutritious. And the bananas and the oatmeal is the meal. Okay. It's going to really fill up your stomach. And adding a little milk after is optional, honestly, SoFam, because you already kind of put the milk in overnight oats, so it was really kind of liquefied. So just a little bit more with the ice, it'll go a long way. Because I think I ended up adding a little bit too much milk there, and I like pour some in another cup so that it could come back to its thickness. So just be mindful of adding additional milk after. You don't want to just be drinking, milk. So after SoFam, look at the consistency of this. So you can kind of see the consistency is smoothie based, so you don't even taste any zucchini. It's blueberry. You really taste the oatmeal, like the cinnamon. So whatever you put in your oats is going to take over. So you can even probably throw some peanut butter in this. This will be a great peanut butter smoothie option. Okay. I'm going to definitely try that on the next one. It gives you that kind of milkshake kind of flavoring taste. So throw those powders out, all those powders that you'll be using for supplement and all that, throw that out and switch it for some oatmeal. And SoFam, you're going to be filled and you're going to be losing these inches. I was like, let me show y'all this video. I didn't mean to record this. I was moving the chair out the way, but you can see how it deflates you. It doesn't make you feel bloated. And you can probably eat this like have one meal a day plus this. So you want to do one smoothie in the morning, then 3 to 4 hours, drink the rest of the smoothie, and then eat your dinner. And you will see you're not hungry throughout the day. You're not craving grease throughout the day. And if you're new to this, meaning your body is used to eating a lot of food, start off with something like a bagel with this. Like say your body just needs to eat and chomp on something. Get you a bagel that has the less amount of sugar as possible. So you see the back of these ingredients. Pause this. You want to see one bagel, 260 calories. This is what you're looking for. Less sugar, less salt, and as organic as possible. Okay, so if you pair this with like a bagel, a piece of toast with some light cream cheese or light butter, you want to just eat half of what you usually eat and slowly build yourself up to just eating a smoothie in the morning, and I'm good throughout the day. I got everything I need. And when I add cream cheese to my bagels, because let's say cream cheese is a little bit heavy, smear it on, SoFam. Just get the flavor up there, because you depriving yourself of the things that you love is going to make it harder for you to stand strong in what it is that they're trying to accomplish. Okay. And if that's eating better, eating healthier, and making better choices 360 in life, take your time with it. Sometimes we're so ready to get to the big goal that we just take a big jump, and when we fall, we don't even have the power or the strength to get back up. All right, SoFam. So just be mindful that it's okay to eat a piece of bread if you're going to be doing 20 million tasks. You want to fuel yourself up correctly so that when you're doing your tasks, you're not all over the place. You're not confused. You're not scrambling. You're not running around with a chicken with no head. So you want to just really take your time with your weight journey. There's no rush to who gets there first. All right, SoFam. Amelia Adair here. I appreciate you, and I'm going to see you at the next win. Bye for now.